Hey, it's Greg. I'm standing out in my field and I'm demoing my new solar POWAIR unit. So it charges with solar power, or you can use this kit to charge it off of the vehicle power. This is included. Or you can charge it at home. There's a computer cable that would plug into that right there. So there's 3 ways to charge this box, which is kind of cool. Leave it out in the middle of nowhere hooked up to that. Hook it up to your truck and have your truck charge it. Or hook it up to the house with the plug. So I call it a POWAIR system because it can run a circular saw, and it can take off a lug nut. So it's pretty versatile. The thing I like about it is that I added in some features that can actually do a lot more than just work out of the back of your truck. Let's unhook the solar panel. Put that in the back here. Okay. Let's hook up this battery cable to this connection right here. It's a high current connection. There it is. Okay, I got that hooked up. Now, I am gonna hook this up to a bigger battery that I've got in the back here. And I'm gonna turn this system into a monster system. And I am going to unplug the circular saw. And I'm gonna plug this in right here. There you go. Okay, I now have my solar POWAIR system standing alone, powering my RV. Let's go in and use the microwave. Yep, lights are on. No, the heater's on. Look at that. It's running a heater. That's my POWAIR system outside is doing that. Here's the microwave. Running the microwave. Pretty versatile for a power system that just stands alone and charges itself with a solar panel or your vehicle, or shore power. That's what it looks like inside. It's pretty busy. There's your controller. There's a switch for it's got 2 batteries, so you can actually run on one or the other battery or both, which is kind of cool. The fan goes on any minute that the compressor is on. The fan goes on, so that's an added feature. Well, that's my unit. Runs my RV and runs a bunch of power tools and air tools. Thanks for watching.